Welcome to Luxefluent. In today's video, we're diving into the best passive income ideas of 2024. If you're looking to boost your income without constantly trading time for money, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for financial freedom. Real estate crowdfunding. First on our list is real estate crowdfunding, an accessible way to invest in real estate without the headaches of property management. With platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul, you can start investing with just a few $100s. This method offers lower entry costs and allows you to diversify across multiple properties, making it an appealing alternative to traditional real estate investments. Real estate crowdfunding involves gathering funds for property projects from many investors through online platforms. These projects can range from residential buildings to commercial real estate. By contributing small amounts, investors collectively fund these ventures and share in the returns. Crowdfunding in general is about pooling small amounts of capital from numerous individuals to support a new venture. Depending on the type, investors might donate money altruistically or receive rewards like equity in the company they're supporting. Real estate crowdfunding follows this principle, giving investors the opportunity to be part of significant property investments without needing large sums of money upfront. This makes real estate investing more accessible and less risky for everyday investors. Dividend stocks. Next up are dividend stocks, a great way to generate a steady income stream. Investing in companies like Johnson & Johnson and Coca-Cola, known for their reliable dividend payments, can be more rewarding than traditional saving accounts with low interest rates. Over time, reinvesting these dividends to buy more shares can significantly boost your returns. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that regularly share a portion of their earnings with investors. These payments can be made annually, semi-annually, quarterly, or even monthly. For example, some top dividend stocks offer an average yield of around 12.69%. A stock dividend is when shareholders receive additional shares of the company's stock instead of cash. For instance, a 5% stock dividend means you get 0.05 shares for every share you own. This method helps you grow your investment over time without needing to invest more money upfront. Overall, dividend stocks provide a reliable income and an opportunity for growth, making them an attractive option for both new and experienced investors. Peer-to-peer lending. Another great passive income idea is peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper let you lend money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. This can be a high reward investment, but diversifying your loans is crucial to reduce risk. Compared to traditional bonds, peer-to-peer lending offers higher returns, though it does come with a higher risk profile. Peer-to-peer P2P lending is a type of financial technology that enables people to lend or borrow money directly from each other without involving a bank. It involves direct lending to individuals or businesses through online platforms that match lenders with potential borrowers. This method often provides better yields than savings accounts or bonds. As a P2P investor, you have control over loan approvals. You can set qualification requirements, like requiring a certain credit score. This level of control helps you manage your risk while aiming for higher returns. Peer-to-peer lending can be an exciting way to earn passive income, offering better returns than traditional saving methods, while giving you more control over your investments. High-yield savings accounts and CDs. High-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit (CDs) are low-risk ways to earn passive income. Online banks like Ally and Marcus by Goldman Sachs offer competitive interest rates compared to traditional banks. While these returns might not match those from stocks or real estate, they are much safer and provide guaranteed returns. High-yield savings accounts reward you with a higher interest rate than traditional savings accounts, helping your money grow faster as it sits in your account. The interest rate, known as the annual percentage yield (APY), determines how quickly your savings will increase. The higher the APY, the faster your money grows. CDs typically offer even higher interest rates than high-yield savings accounts, but they require you to lock in your money for a set period, ranging from a few months to several years. In contrast, high-yield savings accounts allow you to deposit and withdraw your money more freely, making them a better choice for those who want easy access to their funds. These options provide a safe and steady way to grow your savings without the volatility of higher risk investments. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another excellent passive income strategy. By promoting products or services on your website or social media, you can earn commissions for every sale made through your referral link. Companies like Amazon, Share a Sale, and Commission Junction offer various affiliate programs, making it easy to find products that align with your interests. Unlike traditional advertising, affiliate marketing can provide ongoing income long after the initial promotion. Affiliate marketing involves earning a commission by marketing another person's or company's products. As an affiliate, you choose a product you like, promote it, and earn a share of the profit from each sale made through your referral link. This can be anything from physical products to digital services. For instance, an entrepreneur or an established company might have a catalog of products. They allow affiliates to promote and sell these products, paying a commission for each sale. This setup benefits both parties. Companies expand their reach, and affiliates earn money without creating their own products. Affiliate marketing is a flexible and scalable way to generate passive income, allowing you to leverage your online presence and interest into a steady revenue stream. Have you already started earning passive income this year? Tell us about your experiences and any tips you have for our Luxefluent community. Create an online course. Creating an online course can be a lucrative passive income stream. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera make it easy to create and sell courses on virtually any topic. Once your course is up and running, you can earn income from students enrolling over time. While it requires an upfront time investment, it can generate long-term income. Many people who create courses full-time make 5 to 6 figures per year. Your success depends on factors like your course topic, marketing strategies, conversion rate, and course price. Choosing a high-demand topic can significantly boost your sales. Currently, popular topics in the online education market include coding and programming, data science and analytics, digital marketing, and graphic design. These subjects are in high demand due to their practical applications and the career opportunities that they offer. By creating a course in one of these areas, you can attract a larger audience and increase your earnings. Creating an online course allows you to share your expertise, help others learn new skills, and generate a steady stream of passive income. It's a rewarding way to turn your knowledge into profit while making a positive impact on learners worldwide. Royalties from creative works. If you're a creative, consider earning royalties from your work, whether it's writing an ebook, composing music, or selling stock photos. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Spotify, and Shutterstock can help you monetize your creations. Unlike freelancing, where you exchange time for money, royalties provide ongoing income from your past work. Royalties are payments made for the right to use, modify, or distribute someone else's property, such as intellectual property or other creative works. The royalty rate is usually negotiated between the creator, licensor, and the user, licensee. You can earn royalties through licensing, sales, or leasing your work. For instance, a writer earns royalties from book sales, while a musician earns streaming royalties. Understanding how royalties work is essential for creators who want to make a living from their art. By leveraging royalties, you can turn your creative efforts into a steady income stream. This allows you to focus on producing more work, knowing that your past creations will continue to generate income. Whether you're an author, musician, or photographer, earning royalties can provide financial stability and reward your creativity long after the initial creation. Rent out your assets. Finally, renting out your assets is a fantastic way to generate passive income. This could be anything from renting out a spare room on Airbnb, your car on Turo, or equipment you own on Fat Llama. This method maximizes the value of assets you already own, providing a steady income stream without much effort. Renting out assets can be very profitable if your operating expenses are low and your rent price is competitive. Rent payments, security deposits, move-in fees, and pet fees can help cover your monthly costs and leave you with extra money to save for future expenses. Buying an investment property and renting it out is another way to earn income, but it requires a commitment of time and money. You'll need to choose the right property, prep the unit, and find reliable tenants. Plus, ongoing maintenance is necessary to keep the property in good condition and retain tenants. Renting out assets allows you to turn what you already own into a source of income. Whether it's a room, a car, or equipment, this strategy can provide a steady financial boost with relatively little effort. Thank you for watching our rundown of the best passive income ideas for 2024. Which idea inspired you to take action? Let us know in the comments and join our community committed to financial growth. Remember to subscribe to Luxefluent for more insights and strategies. Get fluent, stay fluent.